So this is what our website looks like so far. So it's looking pretty good. But in this video, we need to, well, I'm going to show you how to create a page and add in navigation. So what we want to happen is when we click on one of these listing cards, we want to navigate to the home detail page where we see more details about this particular item. So let's get started. Let's head over to the design tab, and what we want to do is add a new page. To create a page up top, we want to click page, and we want to click here, add new page. Now there's many ways we can add new pages, but we can start a page from scratch or we can clone a page. So we just click add new page. We want to call this the home detail. And we could create a blank canvas, but let's go ahead and clone our index page. And I clone the index page just so we can keep some of the styles, but we can get rid of this bar here. Just so we can keep the header in place, but I want to get rid of this section here. And let's get rid of this hero image here. Cool. And what I want to do is for a detail page, let's say we have, let's see, what do we want on our detail page? We actually want to show a repeating group of images. So we can go ahead and just design that here. Actually, how we want to do this? Yeah, we want to show a repeating group. And the type of content we want to be an image. And a data source we want to do is let's see, before we can select the data source. So when creating a page, one of the things we also need to do is set what type of content this page can receive. So this page is about a home detail. So in Bubble, if you just click on any blank area, like I'm just gonna click on this gray area, double click it, and the type of content this page, the type of data this page can receive overall is for a home. So we need to set the type of content for this page. Move that out the way. Now for this data source, when we click the data source, whatever home this page represents, we want to receive be able to access all the data for that particular home. So now you see current page home from that list. It didn't exist before, but now that we set the page content type, we can access this. So clicking current page home. So now we're setting this repeatable group. So we want to show a list of the photos. So we just click photos. And instead of, we don't want to show all the photos, we want to show all the photos except for the first photo. So in addition to photos, so let's see if we can add some type of filter to that. So let's click more. So items from with a number. Let's click 2. So pretty much just return a list of photos starting at the second image on down. So now we need to actually show off the image. So let's go ahead and let's name this group the home image list. And inside of that, we want to add an image. Stretch it where? Actually, we don't want it to be. That's good enough. So dynamic data. So we want to grab the current sales image. So this repeatable group grabs a list of images from this page, from the list of images from the home that represents this page. So the current sales image is we want to set that to. Cool. And now we want to add an image in this area over here. So you can go ahead and click image. And we want to insert data, dynamic data. So the current page is home. We want to go to photos. Let's grab the first photo. So the first item. Cool. Let's go ahead and preview. So it's set, but we currently don't have a photo, a home that represents this page just yet. So what we want to do is just set up a placeholder. So what I want to do is we actually need, so this is the part where we set up the navigation. So this is how we add a new page. And what I want to do in the next video is show you how to navigate to this page from the home page, as well as pass data along with it, which is going to be the home respective of the listing card that we click. So stay tuned to the next video to talk about navigation.